In the today's video, we're going to learn a few things related to how to display your record using SQL. Okay, here two questions you can see. One table is there, items. In the exams also like this, only table will be given. From there, few queries will be given, after few questions will be given, and accordingly you have to write the SQL. So here table you can see, table name is items. Item code is there, item name is there, price is there, quantity is there. Now two questions are there. Two questions are there. You can see first question is display the names of the item whose quantity is less than 30. Second question is update the price of all items given in the table by 5%. So first we have to display those items whose quantity is less than 30. Second, we have to update the price. Okay, this price you have seen. This price we have to update by 5% for all the records. So how to do this one? First question we are going to do. So our first question is to display the names of items whose quantity is less than 30. So this is quantity. To display the names of item, only names, okay, it is not asking that display all the records, only names. That means item name, here you can see this one item name, that means only name you have to show. That's why select what we have to display, item name. So this is the item name, only names, item name from which table? From item table. Items. Select item name, that means which record we have to display, from table name. Now the condition you see, what condition has been given? Whose quantity is less than 30. So select item name from items where we will use, okay, where quantity, the condition here, now you have to write here, less than 30. The first question, what is the question you see? Display the names of the item whose quantity is less than 30. So this is quantity, you can see less than 30, only two items are there. So how we have to write? Select, only names it is asking about the names. So select item name from table name items. What is the condition? Where quantity is less than 30. So now it will show only the two records. One is this one, quantity 20 and quantity 50. So this is how you have to write. Okay, one thing you have to notice here. Here it is written clearly, display the names, only the names of item. That's why we have taken the column item name. If it is written display all the records, then you have to use star here. Okay, star. If it is written display all the records, then you have to use star here. But here it is clearly mentioned that we have to write only the names. We want to see only the names of item. That's why item name I have written here. Suppose in the question it is written display the names of item and price. If item and price is written, then item name, comma, price we have to write. But here it is not like this. Here directly it has asked for only the item name. That's why item name I have written here. So if all the records is 1, then star you have to use. If selected 1 or 2 records is 1, then you have seen only item name, price. So like this you have to write. Okay, that one you have to see. And what is the condition you have to see? Condition you have seen only after where only you have to write. Here the condition is quantity is less than 30. So quantity is less than 30. So this is the first one. Second one you see, second question. In one video I have already discussed how to use the update, okay. Now here you see, already the price has been given, but the question is you have to increase all the price by 5%. Okay, 5% by 5% all the price will increase. It is not like that only one item price or two items price it is written. Update the price of all it is written. That's why you have to be careful, okay. So update the price of all items in the given table by 5%. So for that we are going to use the update clause. So update see, update, I have written update. After that, directly you have to write the table name. Whatever is the table name. Here it is items, update items. Over update command I have used or update clause I have used. After that, table name directly I have given. So after that, you have to see what you have to update. Which column? Here many columns are there. Item code is there, item name is there, price is there, quantity is there. So which one you have to update, that one you have to see. So update items, then what we have to update? Price. So update items, so you have to use price equal to price equal to, now how much we have to increase? 5%. So price into 5% is nothing but 0.5 into price. So here you can see a simple command I have given here. So question is update the price of all the items given in the table by 5%. That means all the items, whatever items are there, all the price it should be increased by 5%. So update command I have already, one video is there, update command I have used. Immediately after update, you have to give the table name. So table name I have given items. So this is the table name items. Now where we have to update, where we have to change, that one you have to see. So set price, because price I have to change. So set price equal to percentage. 5% we have to increase. So whatever existing rate into 5% plus the rate. Okay, so price into 5% plus price, it will increase the price of this all the items by 5%. Now how this thing is going on, you see. Okay, suppose 15, the how the formula is working, this already I am showing. 15 is there. Then the question here, price into 0.5. So 15 into 0.5 plus 15. So this one will be the 5%. So plus existing one. I think this one is clear, don't confuse, okay. 15 into 0.5, as here 0.5 has been given, plus the already existing price. So this is the percentage, that's why I have written here 5%. So this is the 5%. Whatever will be the output, this one will be the 5% and 15. So it will 5%, it will come around 7.5. So then plus 50. Okay. So this is how these things or this SQL is going on. Okay. This is how it's working. So one more thing you have to notice here. Update here, see all items given here. All items, that's why I have not given anything. Update items, set price, what is the condition I have given here. So it will update all the records. Whatever 4 records are there, it will update. Suppose question like this that update only a particular record. If question like that will come, then you have to use the where clause. If and only if you have to update only a particular record. Here it is all the record. That's why where condition is not there in update. Suppose you have to update all the only a particular record, then where condition will come. For example, update the price of items given in a table by 5%. Suppose update the price of an item where item code is this one. Where item code is 102.101.246. Only that one I want to update. Suppose I want to update only price of a dead item where the item code is 101.246. So in that condition, after this line, you have to add where item code equal to 101.246. I think it is clear. Okay. Again, I am telling in the question number 2, you can see update the price of all the items given in the table. Here they have not mentioned any condition. Directly they are telling that you have to update all the records. That means 4 records are there, 4 records you update. For that one, what we have written, update item set price, because price we have to update, equal to price into 0.5, price into 0.5, this portion will give 5% of the price plus price, then only the 5% will increase. So this is how the calculation is done. But this is for this one, whole one for the first record only. That means all the records, whatever records are there, it will update. Suppose we have to update only a particular record like this. Only item code where item code is 101.246 or item name is tomato or item name is noodles or item name is sweet corn, there only you update. So you have to use the where clause. Update item set price equal to this one, where item code equal to 102.46 or 101.246. That means now it will update only this price. Previously, whatever the update condition, it update all the records. But after I have added where here, now it will update only this one, because item code is matching here only. It will not going to update anywhere. It is going to update this one only. So it is not about the item code only you will use. Anything you can use here. Suppose in place of item code, I am writing here item name noodles. As noodles, all are alphabets, you know, double quotes I have used. So now you can see here where item name equal to noodles. Now it will going to change item name noodles this price to 5%. It will increase this one to the 5%. So it could be anything. It may be item code, item name, or you have to update all the prices. So it depends, okay, whether you have to use the condition or without the condition. If it is without the condition, then all record is going to change. If it is with condition, that means with where, in that case, it will update only the matching one. Matching one means, here you can see item name noodles, so item name noodles, this one only matching, so it will change here. So if it is given all the records, then you don't have to use where clause, okay. If it is given that only a particular record I want to change, so at that time only you have to use the where clause. This is the thing. This is the two questions with different patterns, okay. Suppose all the items you have to update, or selected item you have to update. So how to do that one has been told. Another simple one as we're going to do is, suppose we have to insert a new table. Insert the new record. So here, suppose another question that already 4 records are there, 5 records you make. You add another record in the table. Okay. You have to add another record in the table. Here after noodles, that means 4149032 it is there. So suppose we have to update or we have to enter another record. So it is very easy, okay. Insert into table name item values. So first we are going to write for item code. Suppose 112242. I think it is not there. Okay. Then comma. Next one is alphabet type. That's why double quotes I am using. Suppose mail. Next one is price. Suppose 70. Next one is quantity. Suppose 30. So with this statement insert into item values, one more new record will be added here. It will be 110242 mil 70 30. So you can see here one more new record we have entered, that is insert into items values 110242 mil 70 30. So one more new record has been added to the table. So this is how actually you have to see the question and accordingly you have to do. So how to display the items, all items or a particular item, that one also told in this session. How to update the price of all the items or a particular item with the where clause, that one also told. And how to insert the item into the table. Suppose 4 items are there, another one I want, 5th item I want. So how to insert that one also told in this session. So another thing is, here you can see columns, item code, item name, price, quantity. Item code, item name, price, quantity. Only 4 columns are there. Suppose we have to add another column. So that one also we can do, okay. Here item name, price, quantity or year of manufacturing, suppose we want to add. So that one also we can do. That one we have to do with alter table, okay. Alter table clause we have to use. That one in the next video I will tell. So this is how in the today's video only how to display, how to update and how to insert the new record has been covered. Again, if any confusion, anything related to SQL or any other topic you want me to cover, so you can write in the comments so that I can see and I can do the needful, okay. Thank you.